Hey, it's the 4th of July. Let's celebrate.
Do you think that maybe I overdid it with the red, white, and blue this year? I mean, I really was trying to get into the mood. I'm just kidding, this isn't my house. Some invisible invader has put the kibosh on our annual 4th of July parade. So I guess I'm just going to go home and make a cake. But not just any cake, a raspberry torte, angel food, patriotic cake.
We need cake flour.
Sift together 1 cup of flour and 3/4 cup of white sugar and set it aside.
It's going to take a whole carton of eggs, separating the yolk from the white.
So we're going to whip up 12 egg whites and 1½ teaspoons of cream of tartar. I guess it stabilizes the egg whites. And we need 1½ teaspoons of vanilla and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whip them up until they're medium peaks. Add the rest of the sugar and whip it to stiff peaks this time. And we're going to add this dry mixture 1/3 cup at a time. And whip it until it reaches its maximum volume. You're going to need a 10-inch tube pan, and it needs to be clean and dry. Any amount of oil or residue could deflate the egg whites. And then bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. It'll be brown on top and not soggy in the cracks. And then put it upside down on a bottle so that it can cool. This helps keep it airy. When it's cool, use a knife to cut around the sides and then cut off this bottom piece. And then you can decide if you want to cut it into either 2 or 3 parts. I'm going to do 2 parts. Or you can just make it easier on yourself and use some angel food cake mix.
And use this frosting because it's awesome. A 12-ounce container of Cool Whip and 2 containers of yogurt and 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. Mix this up until it's nice and airy, but yet it's stable. And then frost the middle part of the angel food cake.
You can add some berries in the middle if you want to. And then put the lid on top. But make sure you have enough frosting to cover the whole cake. It's a light whipped cream frosting that is very delicious. And then add some fruit on top. I'm using raspberries and blackberries, but blueberries are good too. Or strawberries. Serve it up and store it in the refrigerator. Thanks for watching.